back to my channel. In today's video, what I was wanting to do is a follow-up video for my original review of Pair Eyewear. I wanted to share with you my customer service experience and what happened with my original set of glasses, and then let you know how I feel about Pair Eyewear now. When I first ordered my glasses, I did the review and I put my glasses on, I looked around the room, everything looked clear, but I didn't realize until the next day when I got in my vehicle to drive, my glasses weren't the right prescriptions for driving. What did happen was I happen to have more than one prescription eyeglasses. I am getting to the age where it doesn't matter if I'm looking at a distance, I need glasses. Looking close up, I need glasses if I have my contacts in. If I am sitting at a computer, I need yet another type of prescription strength glasses. And what happened is my eye doctor sent in a script to them, and come to find out, my eye doctor sent in my prescription for my computer glasses. Once I realized that, I contacted Pair Eyewear. I explained the situation and I asked them, like, what's the return policy? How do I handle this situation? They shared with me, all I would have to do is I would have to go to the website and advise, there's a section in there that you notify them that you were wanting to return your script or your glasses and which ones if you ordered more than one. They send you a gift card, like an e-gift card, a code for that you can use for a future purchase. They sent me a label also so that I could go ahead and pack it up and ship it back. It was a USPS label and packed it in the box, put the label on it. But in the meantime, now mind you, they hadn't even gotten my glasses yet returned to them. When I got the e-gift card, I ordered a new set of glasses with the correct prescription. This time, I called my eye doctor and asked them to send it to me, and it was easy. I just went ahead and I uploaded it into the website, and the eye doctor did admit that they actually made a mistake. Apparently, they always look at the bottom, and that's usually the most recent script, and which I happen to have more than one current script, which is for far distance and for computer glasses. So I got a gift card, an e-gift card to go ahead and order a new set of glasses, but there was a problem. The amount of money that I paid for my first set of glasses, there was a new code discount because it was my first time purchasing it. I don't know if you remember in the previous video, it was a $6 off coupon for a first-time purchaser. Well, I communicated with my customer service rep that had been communicating with me from the beginning, and they said, that's fine. I went ahead and I ordered it, paid for it with my credit card. I immediately responded back saying they didn't give me that new code discount. I got my $6 credit on my credit card probably within 5 minutes after I communicated with them. I am very pleased with their customer service. They were very prompt in responding. I didn't have to wait a day for every time I sent a message to them. Sometimes it was a matter of 5 minutes I got a response back. So I'm very happy with the customer service. There were, other than the issue, I should have clarified with my eye doctor, make sure it's this script, the first go around. But with the little hiccup, I'm not blaming Pair Eyewear, but their customer service was excellent. So in the previous video, and make sure you check that out because I show you the unboxing, the first time of me unboxing it. I show you all they call them tops that go on your frames. This is the original frame that I have on now. It's the clear. I also share with you a code, which I can go ahead and share that code also. If you decide to purchase any of these glasses, you can use my code and get $25 off your first order. I actually didn't calculate correctly the number of glasses that you can make with one pair of prescription glasses with my 4 top frames that I purchased. I purchased 4 top frames. I have the pink. I don't remember the exact names. It's in the first video. I have these, I think they call them the Galaxy. And then this set of top frame sunglasses. This top frame sunglasses. So that's 5 total. If you count just the clear frames and then the 4 tops, that was 5 glasses. But I didn't take into account that if I wanted, I could have these top frame sunglasses with this top frame. So that changes the look of it. Or this top frame. So let's see, that's 7 right there. Or if I put these on, I can add the pink and the blue, and that gives you 2 more. So what is that, 9? 9 different looking glasses out of the original frame and 4 top frames. Anyways, I hope I didn't bore you with all this, but if you're interested in getting these glasses, I highly recommend them. I think the glasses, now that I've been wearing them for, what has it been, a couple weeks or so, I think they are quality glasses. I even fell asleep with them on last night. And mind you, the top frame that I had on, that popped off in the middle of the night, but it's still intact. This was the one that I had on last night when I fell asleep. And my glasses were still on my face. They were totally fine. So I highly recommend these glasses if you are interested. And be sure to check out that previous video so you can see the full review that I did. Again, I will go ahead and I'll leave that code in the description box below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I don't just do reviews. I do a lot of videos on anything surrounding my home. I do a lot of gardening videos, videos regarding my chickens, reviews. We've done some cooking videos. Oh, and I've also done some woodworking videos using pallets, free pallets that we got. I've already made a farmhouse pallet wood table, absolutely free. You'll have to check that video out if you're interested in that type of thing. I also made a planter box stand for my daughter for her birthday. It was farmhouse style. So if you like that type of thing, be sure you check out that video, and I'll be sure to include those videos in the description box below. If you like this video and any of those other topics and themes that I just discussed, be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time.